UMnyango wezokuBusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu esifundazweni saseGoli uthi ukusebenzisana phakathi kukahulumeni wesifundazwe nowasekhaya sekholele ekuthuthukisweni kwezinhlelo zokusebenza zocwaningomabhuku, ukwanda kokugcwalisa kwezikhala zabaphathi abaphezulu kanye nokuqinisa ukusebenza komthetho okube nomthelela ekwehleni kobugebengu bokuxhumana kanye nempahla. Lokhu kuvele kwisithangami sabezindaba ebesibanjelwe eSandton ngeSonto ekuseni nokuyilapho kwethulwe khona umbiko ngokusebenza kwekomidi elajutshwa ngonyaka ka-2024.
When you look at the presentations, le di-report tse di fiwang, o tla bona gore go na le institution ela ya bokgoni, the institution with good capacity, knowledge and technical competencies, ba e bitsa Council for Industrial and Scientific Research, CSIR. Ba na le unity ya bona ya metsi mo e leng gore ba kgona go lebelela tša metsi, ba gona mo ba tlo present a solution ya gore metsi a le ya go leaka ka mo fase re a lebelela jwang the leakages in water so that we can repair infrastructure and repair it properly. They are going to look at also how much capacity do we have for water storage so that rent water or any municipality ba dira maintenance. We have enough storage capacity to keep us for 2 days. When the maintenance is finished and the system is back in action, it's working, the storage can recover, facilities can recover quicker.
Isifundazwe sithi eminye imizamo izogxila ekwehliseni ukulahleka kwamanzi, ukuvikela ingqalasizinda, ukuthuthukisa ukubuyiswa kwezimali kanye nokuqinisa ukuhlinzekwa kwezidingonqangi ngokusebenzisa izinhlelo zokuqapha zedijithali nezinkundla zobuchwepheshe ezididiyelwe. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngiseSandton.